Hello.
Hello,
Hello, Thomas. How are you today?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Happy Christmas. Honey, do you celebrate Christmas?
Uh, yeah.
Yes. Ooh. Did you s- did you celebrate last night or today?
Mm,
How did you Yeah, how did you celebrate it? How did you celebrate it, honey? Did you go to the mall or like did you
I
go somewhere?
I go to buy a present.
Want to buy? Oh, you want to buy a present. Present for? And who did you give
Um,
that present for?
want to buy a present for me.
For you bought a present for yourself?
Yes.
Yeah? That's for yourself. what did you what did you give for yourself, honey? I mean, what did you give to yourself? You gave a new toy? A new book? Or what?
A new toy.
How about mommy? Did you give mommy something? Like did you give her a present too or not?
Mm, yes.
Did you? Oh, what did you give to mommy, honey?
Um, my mom.
Did you give her a present? Yeah?
No,
What?
my mom.
Ah,
eh,
your mom gave you a present. Yeah? Oh, I see. What was it? What did you receive from her?
mm, mm,
Me? I received mm, I received this makeup, Sunny. And then I also received glasses. Yeah, glasses for the beach. How about you? What have you received?
mm, yeah.
Toy?
No,
Toy
it's
too?
a storybook.
Storybook, I see. Okay, anyway, honey, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to you and your family, Thomas. Okay, anyway, we are now going to have our lesson, Thomas. And teacher is now going to share the screen, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Honey, is my voice okay? Is my voice okay?
Yeah.
How about my
Yeah.
video? Am I freezing or not?
It's freezing.
It's freezing? Am I freezing? Yeah? Yeah. Actually, my internet right now, honey, is kind of slow. Can I turn off my camera? Is it okay if I turn off
Yeah.
my camera? Okay. All right. But my voice is okay, right?
Okay.
Okay. So, yeah. Let's have this one right here, honey. We're going to have the listening part here. And here are, I think, 5 questions. Yeah, we have 5 questions for part 4, my dear. You're going to listen, okay? And then put a tick inside the box. All right? The first question
Yeah.
goes like this. What must Mary take to school? So let's listen to the audio now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which man is John's teacher?
Okay, that one is example, honey.
That's my teacher. Look, he's getting on the bus. The thin man with the blue sweater, John. He's not wearing a blue sweater. It's grey. Oh, I see him. He's carrying a bag.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What must Mary take to school?
Okay, what must Mary take to school?
I need to go to school now, Dad.
Have you got your baseball bat and that CD, Mary?
No, there's no sport at school today, and the music class is on Friday.
OK.
Oh, wait! I need my skates for the playground after school.
Please be careful.
Okay, so what must Mary take to school, Thomas?
Mary take
Okay.
a skate to school.
Mary must?
Mary
Honey, add the word must. Mary must take
take a
her
skate
skates
to school.
to school. Very good. Again, one more time. What must Mary take to school? Mary must.
Mary must take her skate to school.
Very good. Okay, now let's have number 2. What's Alex doing upstairs? Let's have the audio.
2. What's Alex doing upstairs?
Why is Alex upstairs?
He wanted to email someone, but Grandma's on the computer.
Well, he must do his homework now.
He can't, Mom. He's texting his friend.
Not again.
Okay, what's Alex doing upstairs right now, honey? Put a tick. Are you sure? You sure about that? You want to listen again? You want to listen to it again? Okay, here, again.
There's no sport at school today.
Email someone, but Grandma's on the computer.
Well, he must do his homework now.
Mom said he must do his homework now. He must. That's what Mom said, right? Okay.
He can't, Mom. He's
But he can't. So, this is what he's doing.
texting his friend.
Not again.
Okay, so what's the answer? What's Alex doing upstairs? Honey, texting. Alex is texting upstairs. Okay? What do we use when we are texting, my dear? What device do we use when we text someone? Is it our laptop or our phone? Honey, here. This one. Okay? So how do you say it in complete sentence? Alex is
Alex
texting
for
his friend at upstairs. Upstairs. Okay, one more time. What's Alex doing upstairs?
Alex is texting his friend upstairs.
Very good. Okay, now I'm going to put your answers here in the chatting box so we have something to review later on. That's for number 1, and this one is for number 2. Okay, now let's move forward to the next
Part
page. honey.
4.
Okay, let's have this one. So we have question number 3, honey. It says, what did Ben dream about last night? Let's go.
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. There is one example. Which man is John's
Need to go to school now.
Why is Alex upstairs?
Okay, wait for a while, honey.
3.
Okay, 3.
What did Ben dream about last night?
Okay, what did Ben dream about last night? Let's listen. Are you ready, Thomas?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Hello, Grandpa. I had a dream last night.
Did you dream about a jungle again, Ben?
No, I was on a mountain.
Was it nice?
No, I'd like to dream about being on an island.
Okay, so what did Ben dream about last night? Where was he in his dream? Okay? Again, honey, again.
Night.
Hello, Grandpa. I had a dream last night.
Did you dream about a jungle again, Ben?
Grandpa asked if he dreamed about the jungle.
No, I was on a mountain.
No, he is not on the jungle in the jungle, honey, but he was on the
Was it nice?
Mountain, yes.
No, I'd like to dream about being on an island.
Okay, all right. So how do you say it in complete sentence, honey? What did Ben dream about last night? Ben
Ben
dreamed
Ben dreamed
About?
about the mountain.
about being on the mountain. Okay. Can you read it, honey? What did Ben dream about last night?
Ben dreamed about
Dream.
being on the mountain last night.
Very good. Okay, now let's have number 4, honey. The question goes like this. What did Jane do at the party last night?
4. What did Jane do at the party last night?
Was it a good party last night, Jane? Did you dance a lot?
No, the music wasn't very good, Grandpa.
Did you eat something?
No, I had a stomachache.
Oh. Did you take any photos?
Yes, with my new camera. It was great.
Okay, so what did Jane do at the party last? Okay, how do you say it in complete sentence, honey? Jane
Jane is taking a photo at the party last night.
Okay, photo at the party last night. Honey, but it happened already last night. It happened already. What's the past tense of take? So it's took. Jane took a photo.
At the party last night.
Yeah, at a party last night. Because it happened already, honey. The past tense of take is took. Okay, take will be, past tense will be took. Okay? Get it? All right. Jane took a photo at the party last night. Okay, thank you so much, honey. Your answer is correct. Great job, honey. That one is 4. Oh, this one is 4, Thomas. Okay, let's have number 5. Let's go to number 5.
5.
Number 5.
What was the weather like last week in Uncle Bill's village?
Look, Sam. It's raining again.
Oh dear. The weather is never good when you come here, Uncle Bill.
Well, it was sunny last Friday. I went to sleep in the garden.
Your village has very nice weather.
Not always. Last week it was very windy and cold.
Okay, what was the weather like last week? Okay, very good, honey. How do you say it in complete sentence? 5.
The wa-
We-
the weather
In.
in Uncle Bill village is
Okay, last week, honey.
cloudy.
Village last week was cloudy. No, honey,
Was
windy
cloudy
and cold.
and cold.
Yes. Okay, again, one more time. What was the weather like last week in Uncle Bill's village?
The weather in Uncle Bill's village last week was windy and cold.
Very good. Thank you so much, Thomas. Okay, I will try to open my camera now, honey. If it's still freezing or not. Am I freezing? Am I still freezing, honey?
No.
No? Okay. Let's read your answers again one more time, honey, okay?
Part 4.
Okay.
Now, you have to look at the chatting box, honey. The answers are in the chatting box. Let's start with number 1. Okay? You read your answers from
Part
the chatting.
4.
Okay, number 1. What must Mary take to school?
Mary
Mary
must take her skate to school.
Very good. Number 2. What's Alex doing upstairs?
Alex is taking his friend upstairs.
Honey, texting. Texting. Very good. Next. Yes, very good, honey. 3. What did Ben dream about last night?
Ben dreamed about being on the mountain last night.
Very good. 4. What did Jane do at the party last night?
Jane took a photo at the party last night.
Very good. 5. What was the weather like last week in Uncle Bill's village?
The weather in Uncle Bill's village last week was windy and cold.
Very good. Thank you so much, honey. So we're now
Part
done
4.
with this one. Okay, we're now done with the movers 29. So now, honey, we're going to have movers 30. You ready? Honey? Okay, I will give this one to you as a homework later, okay? This link. Okay, now teacher's going to have the next. Hold on, okay. The last one. This is the last material, honey. And after this, we're going to have a new material. Honey, can I go to the toilet? Oh yeah, I need to pee, honey. I will be back. Wait for a while. Wait. It will be so quick, honey. Okay. Done, honey? All right. Let's have this one, my dear. Okay, so we have here these following pictures, honey, with the words in the box. Okay, so before that, I want you to describe and tell me each of these pictures, my dear. Something about these pictures, okay? Let's start with the very first one. This one is a?
It's a puppy.
Great. Do you have a puppy? No. Do you want to have a puppy, Thomas?
Yes.
Oh, but mommy doesn't like puppy, right?
No, my mom is very like puppy, but I am in a
Allergic.
building.
But you're in a building and it's not allowed to have a puppy.
Yeah.
Okay.
My flat is very small.
I see. But you really want to have it, right?
Yes.
You really want to have it, I see, honey. Okay. All right. Now, How about the second picture, honey? What's that?
It's a coat.
Yeah, it's a coat. It's a green coat. Do you have a coat, Thomas?
Yeah.
Oh, really? Okay, when do you use a coat?
My coat.
When do you
Why?
use it?
I use it in
When the weather is, for example, honey, when the weather is,
windy.
yes, you use the coat when the weather is windy. Great job. Okay. Now, how about the third picture, Thomas? What's this one?
It's a lion.
Huh? Third, honey,
It's a
third
scarf.
picture. Yes, this
It's
one is a scarf. Do you have a scarf, Thomas? Do you also have a
yeah.
scarf? Ooh. When do you usually use your scarf?
I
Me.
usually
Mm.
wear a windy too.
Ah, you use your scarf when the weather is windy. Yes. Okay, next one. Next picture. What's this? This one is a?
It's a lion.
It's a lion. Fourth picture. What's this? A fifth.
It's a bear.
Fifth picture. Yeah, it's a bear. Okay, have you seen a bear before?
I see a bear at the zoo.
Really? Is it scary?
No,
Oh, it's not
it's a
scary.
small. It's a
It's a small
small
bear.
bear.
Ah, it's a small bear. How about the lion? Have you seen a lion before?
Yes.
Oh, is it big?
Yeah. It's big.
Yes, it is.
Yes,
Yes,
it
it
is.
is.
It's
Very good. Yes.
very
Okay, now,
big.
yeah. How about this one? We have the
A doctor.
okay. Where does he work, honey? Where does the doctor work?
Mhm. Uh,
Where do they work, honey? They work in the do they work in the restaurant?
no, it's in a
Where do they work?
hospital.
Yes. They work in the at the hospital. Okay, next. That one. What is that?
It's a clown.
Okay. It's a clown. Where do you usually see a clown, honey?
Yeah.
You haven't?
Yeah.
You
In
haven't
last
seen it?
birthday. Yeah.
Ah,
In a last birthday, I can see a clown.
I've seen a clown.
Yeah.
I've seen a clown. Okay. All right. Is it funny, honey, or scary?
It's very funny.
Really? Okay.
Yeah.
Me, it has been so long, honey, since I've seen a clown. Yeah. And I think they're really funny. Yes. Okay. How about the next picture, honey? Next to the clown, we have a
It's a sweater.
sweat
It's a sweater.
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 Okay, sweater. What is that, honey? When do you wear that?
Um, I wear in winter.
Ah, okay. That is great to hear, honey. Okay, now let's have this one, my dear. We just have 2 minutes left and let's make it fast, okay? So you're going to put your answers in the blank, okay? Let's have number one. Please read number one, honey.
A sweater is like a jacket, but longer, and you wear it when it's cold.
Okay, this is like a jacket, but longer, and you wear it when it's cold. Yeah, very good. What is it, Tony?
It's a coat.
Very good. 2. People laugh at this person with a red mouth and white face. Who is this person? A clown. Okay, 3. This strong animal is black, brown, or white and can stand on 2 legs. A bear. Very good. 4. You can wear this around your neck. What is this kind of thing? You can wear this around your neck. What is this? A scarf? A scarf? Okay, a scarf. Anyway, honey, we are going to continue with this one next meeting, okay? We're going to have number 5. Okay, we're going to have number 6 next meeting, okay? So the time is already over. Thomas, thank you so much, my dear, for having the class with Teacher Shin, and you did so well today. Bye-bye, Thomas! Merry Christmas!
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.